Welcome to the Tyflow course for 3ds Max in the land area. This means that we are going to study the new operators that have recently been introduced for land generation. They are parametric operators that allow us to do a lot within Tyflow in a very dynamic, parametric, even quite simple way. We will be able to generate terrain, insert colors, create liquids, snow, modify terrains, export meshes, do many things. The course is structured in different parts, in different software. Not only Tyflow, to get a little more complete overview of what we can do. So it means having data, for example geolocation, which will be acquired when I use certain plugins. Which are these? As you see, he is connecting to a server right now. And he is showing me the resolution of some geolocation data on our globe. These are very varied in the architectural field. Even in Tyflow we can still acquire data of this type and integrate them. In fact, we will see that even in 3ds Max there will be the possibility of acquiring data through clay maps, height maps, which will then give us the opportunity to create renderings of this type that we see represented at the moment. So complete overview in 3ds Max, then there are other things that we will see within the course. Welcome and enjoy your study.